everyone. I had some leftover cornstarch from another project and came across a recipe for some cornstarch dough that's supposed to be really soft and a great tactile experience. So I thought I would try it out. So let's do it together. You're gonna need some cornstarch, you're gonna need a little bit of water, and you will need some dish soap, liquid dish soap. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna start out with a half a cup of cornstarch. So pour that in. Of course, you can let your little ones help with the pouring and the measuring, and of course the mixing as well. Ooh, okay, there we go. Be a little extra, that's okay. All right, go ahead and dump that in. Now we're gonna add a third a cup of this liquid dish soap. Squeeze it in. Let your little ones help squeeze. Great for that hand muscle strength. Okay, we're gonna pour that right in. Make sure you get it all in there. Okay. And then last, you're just gonna add 1 tablespoon of water. My water here, make sure I get a good sized tablespoon, nice and even, there we go. And we're gonna drop that in. Now I'm gonna mix it up with my hands and let's see what it's like. Okay, so I'm mixing it up and it's feeling a little sticky. It feels awesome, but it's feeling a little sticky to be dough right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more cornstarch and just keep working with yours as well. If it seems sticky, more cornstarch. If it seems too crumbly, a little more soap or water. Let's add in a little bit more cornstarch and see if we can get a good consistency here. Dough is kind of starting to come together here, and it feels wonderful. It's very similar to kind of like a soft Play-Doh. It still kind of moves within your hands. It's got that same kind of slow moving consistency, you know, from the cornstarch, of course, but this is a really wonderful dough. I bet children will have a great time playing with this. Also, notice how you can kind of crumble it up and you can squish it all back together. So there we go, some wonderful soft cornstarch dough.